Got 3 new Dua fragrances in. 2 are new releases, and then 1 is just new to me. So let's just get started. All right, Dua Cosmic Sky of Amber is delphinus by Creed. And delphinus by Creed is like a delightful floral iris scent as it opens, and spicy incense comes into it. And then like a warm bourbon vanilla as it dries down. I just think this and Centaurus were great releases by Creed this year. I love both those releases. So this one's sweet, creamy, spicy, gourmand, sort of powdery. And what it kind of smells like to me is like if you took Dior Homme Intense and layered it with like gloss cherry, because even though there's not a cherry note in this, I kind of get that. But I love the fragrance. It's great. And I was hoping Dua could get close because I didn't want to buy this because it's so expensive, and I wasn't sure how close they could get. But let me just say, Dua, they killed it on this one. They absolutely nailed it. So here's the... I got the real deal here, and I did a side-by-side, a couple of side-by-sides and wore it. And it opens up about 90% for like the first 20 minutes. The Dua is like trying a little bit harder. Some of the notes are amped up, and it's kind of projecting a little more. But the other one just kind of stays kind of subtle and refined and a little more classy, the real deal, you know, for the first 20 minutes. And there's things about each that I like. I like the classiness and the refinedness, but I do like sometimes how the Dua is amplified and, you know, projecting hard. But after 20 minutes, they settle down, and it gets about 95% close for the next, you know, the duration of the fragrance. So it transitions almost the same, and it starts at 90 and goes to 95%. That's good enough for me. I don't need get the real thing. This is going to work for me. So really happy with this. Dua knocked it out of the park on this one, and they knocked it out of the park on the Centaurus too. So great job, Dua. I mean, it killed it on these 2. I really love this scent DNA. I have the original, and I have another couple clones of it. But this is Dua's Red Moon Ocean, which is Luna Rossa Ocean by Prada. It's fresh, aquatic, synthetic, citrus, spicy. Yeah, I just love how they combine that Luna Rossa DNA with something, you know, aquatic marine type flair. And I didn't get this one at first. I guess it wasn't marine enough and summer enough for me, but it's really grown on me. It's one of my favorite from the line. I think it's underrated. This one just doesn't get talked about enough. It's fresh and clean, soapy, sweet, oceanic. And all those go really good together for me, for my taste. So yeah, I love this one. And this is extremely close. I'm going to put it in that 90-95% range, probably closer to the 95% range. So if you're wanting a good performing copy of Luna Rossa Ocean, this is it. Great job again, Dua. All right, this is another thing I love what Dua does. They get a hold of these rare scent profiles, and he'll get a hold of just a sample of it and then reverse engineer it and come out with something to be impossible for you to get or whatever. So this place in France is this Saint Jean De Braye by Christian Dior. I know I butchered that pronunciation, but anyways, this is a super rare fragrance. There's only 20 made worldwide for a 30th anniversary of Saint Jean De Braye, whatever it is. But yeah, super rare, hard to get. Nobody's selling this or coming off this. So for him to even get a sample and then, you know, to be able to reverse engineer it is quite a feat. And it's a really nice fragrance. It's a citrus floral. It's pretty unisex. It's got notes of it. It's even hard to find notes on this, but I think as he reverse engineered, he could, you know, come up with a note breakdown, because I don't think Dior actually even released them. But it's bergamot, lemon, pink pepper, cinnamon, orange, jasmine, magnolia, cedar wood, musk, and amber. So yeah, it's just a citrus floral, real nice, very interesting, pretty unique too. I haven't smelled anything quite like this. Doesn't blow my socks off or nothing, but I do like the fact that he did reverse engineer this and you know, get a real rare scent profile out here to the public, so you know, we can all get a chance to smell it. So great idea and great job on this one, Dua. And yeah, I love this. I really like all 3 of these. As always, Duas generally get better with a little bit of time and maceration, so I expect these to get even better and perform even better than they do now. And they already smell great and perform great. So yeah, if you made it this far, like, subscribe, comment. That helps the algorithm. And I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch.